Yeah, me too. So we need to go eat something.
I know. Oh, you know what? I was on the news that Osaka Naomi, who's a tennis player.
Yeah. She beat Serena Williams. Cool.
I know.
Yeah.
She liked tonkatsu.
Tonkatsu. Let me look for it over here.
Okay.
Hey, how about this one right here? It says it's like right around here.
Honey, this is a chain restaurant. It's on the the guidebook. Everybody goes. I don't want to try
is good,
something
right?
very local.
Something. I don't know any local. Hey, wait. My friend told me about this on the website. It's T5PG, and supposedly it's a website made by locals for locals. So hey, that's the best place to go check it out.
Sounds awesome.
Tonkatsu, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Shinjuku and tonkatsu right here. All right, cool. Hey, well, it shows like 4 different places. Hey, this one's close by right here.
Oh.
So look at that. It's got 3 stars. I mean, people are talking about it, and couples, singles, family too. So when you got kids,
Exactly.
easy to get into, no problem.
Yeah, and reservation is unnecessary. And now we can go. We can just walk in.
It's
right?
close by, and hey, prices are not bad too. Hey, they have a video about it too.
Oh wow! Oh, let's watch this now before we're going.
Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah.
Wow, looks cozy.
Oh wow, yeah. I like that tonkatsu right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's
That
go
looks good.
here.
The place looks
Yeah,
nice.
so yummy. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go. Check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? Tonkatsu reminds me of my friend's place, Ken. My friend Ken in Hawaii. Yeah, he owns 2. I think he's expanding and opening another one on the North Shore. But man, his tonkatsu is good. This one is going to be good from the reviews I read.
Of course, honey, because we're in Japan. I
The
want
real deal.
Yeah, and you know what? Every restaurant we go out, by the guidebook, and it's always full of food.
Yeah,
I don't want to go
yeah,
that kind of places.
yeah. So this is going to be good. Looks good. Locals love it. Hey, let's go for it. So it says it's close by over here too. Oh, there. Let's cross over here.
Oh yeah, I'm so looking forward to it.
This is the kind of places I like though. Seriously. I don't like those big, like in the mall.
Local, it's kind of hard to find this.
True, but thank goodness for this website. We got the web, we got the map and everything.
Okay.
So right here.
Okay. This? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Must be it. Yeah, the one with the pig. Alright. Tonkatsu. Hi. Aloha. English, please.
English, okay. So, may I ask you how many person? 2? Okay. So,
Oh, going.
this is our shop. So, you have to decide your order beforehand. So, please have a look this one.
Oh, okay.
They have English menu.
We gotta decide our order beforehand.
Okay, so maybe we can order.
1価格でございます。スイート。
I'm still like a pretend.
そうですね。もうちょっと馴染みないかもしれない。チリソースもご用意してますので。
Boy,
Oh,
that was so good.
I'm so.
Oh my god, what did they say over here? Like in Hawaii, we say ono, so over here is what?
Oishii.
Oishi ne. Woo, I'm telling you. You know why I ordered that dish up there? Because remember this on the site here, we saw the video? And that lady was ordering that tonkatsu place? Like exactly why I got that.
Yeah, and especially we
So good.
We could choose the menu before we
Yeah.
go to the table.
English menu too.
Exactly, and
With
they
pictures.
speak English.
And with pictures.
And
To
what
see
if
the
they speak
pictures.
English? And it was a little tiny place, but very like.
No, that was what's cool about it. I mean, it's not like a
Cozy
typical
and,
restaurant. It was small. It was, nice little tables, and they had the old little wooden spoons and all that.
it's
You don't see that very often.
Yeah, it looks very
I know,
Japanese, and it's
very
very
cool,
different from
very
chain restaurant.
Very cool.
It looks like very like a local place, but
when my brother and his wife comes here, we're gonna take them over.
Yeah,
there.
definitely.
For sure. Let's
Here
remember this
is
place.
so cool.
Wow.
I
cool.
love it.
All right. Okay, so we're done now. What next?
Honey,
What?
what about dinner tonight?
Dinner. We just had lunch.
I
Hey,
know.
but if you want to go dinner, I know exactly where to go.
Where?
T5PG. Yeah, we're gonna find what we're looking for now. What we're gonna
Okay.
eat now. Sushi.
How about okonomiyaki?
Wow. Oh yeah, I remember
What's
that.
that?
That's that egg thing, right?
Exactly.
Okay, let's go find one. Yeah.
How about
We-
in Shinjuku Gyoen tonight?
Okay, I'll look it up. Hey, right here, this way.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right.